How to use Zoom for virtual events. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Zoom for virtual events. So without further ado, let us begin. So after installing the Zoom application, you'll be first redirected here. So in here you can create a new meeting, join a meeting, schedule a meeting, or just simply share your screen right here. And then here we have the time and the date of the day. You can also open up your recordings right here as well. At the top right here, you also get to see your meetings right here that have been scheduled. You also get to see your team chat right here as well. A scheduler if you want to schedule some meetings. Document section where you can add in your documents. And then the more section right here will just allow you to use the whiteboard, some clips, some tasks, some notes, some mail, some apps, and contacts. Or you can just simply reset to everything to default. So yeah, so basically all we're going to cover right here right now is to just simply host some virtual events. So basically what we're going to do is to just simply create a new meeting. So to do that, just simply click on new meeting right here. There you go, it's now connecting. And then afterwards, it will now ask you to choose your microphone right here. So just choose your microphone right here. So select your microphone from this one and then select your speaker from this one. And then what you can also do is test the microphone and speaker if they are both working. And then in the right side over here, so you can also choose which kind of camera that you're going to use. You can also choose backgrounds right here for your camera, blur your background, choose some video filters, some avatars, and some video settings. And where you can also configure some of your camera settings right here as well. Audio, share screen settings, team chat settings, Zoom apps, backgrounds and effects, recording settings, profile, statistics, keyboard shortcuts, accessibility, and the general settings. So feel free to view all of these sections out. So yeah, there are a lot of settings right here that you can choose and use in your in your Zoom meetings. So yeah, and then before you create your meeting, you can also set your self into mute or hide your video, so you can do that as well. And then what you can also do is always show this preview when joining. Okay, so once you're done preparing all of your microphones and cameras ready, so just simply click on start, then just wait for it to connect. And then here we are now in our meeting. So if you want to invite participants to this meeting, what you want to do is just simply go to participants right here, click on invite, and then there you go. And then from here, you can simply copy an invite link or copy invitation. You can also see your emails right here. So you can send this link via email, Gmail, or Yahoo Mail. And then you'll also get to see the meeting passcode right here at the bottom right corner. So yeah. And then in this section, the participants, once the participants join, you can mute all of them. And then these three dots right here will allow you to ask to unmute the participants or mute participants upon entry, allow participants to unmute themselves, allow participants to rename themselves, play a sound when someone joins or leaves the Zoom meeting, enable a waiting room, hide profile pictures, or just simply lock this meeting. So yeah, so that's pretty much for the participant section. And then in this bottom left corner right here, you can choose to unmute or mute your audio or start your video as well. These arrows right here will allow you to choose your microphone and speaker and also test if they are both working. Same goes with the video right here. You can also select your camera, and then from here you can also blur your background, adjust some backgrounds and effects, choose a video filter, choose an avatar, and then customize some video settings. Okay, so next is we have the chat. So in here you can now start chatting within your Zoom meeting. So for example, just say hi, and then there you go. You can also choose some formatting settings right here or upload files. These three dots right here will allow you to save the chat, and then you can also set who can chat within the chat meeting. So you can set it to no one can chat, host and co-host only, everyone and anyone directly. At the top left right, you can also do a new chat, or you can just simply privately message someone right here within the meeting. So let's say someone is in this meeting, so just simply type in their name right there, and then you can now send a message to that someone privately within this meeting. So yep. Next is we have reacts. So in here you can simply just react to the meeting right here. So yeah, so you can clap right here, thumbs up, heart, joy, open mouth, or at the da. And then they also have some effects right here that you can also utilize. Then you can also view more reactions right here as well. So if you want to use any of these reactions, just simply click on them, and then a reaction will pop up right here on the top left and then at the bottom as well. And then bottom right here, there are also some other reactions right here, like saying yes, no, slow down, speed up, and I'm away. You can also raise your hand right here, or also have a status that will let the people within this Zoom meeting know that you will be right back. Okay, so next is we have the share. So basically what this does, this will just allow you to share your screen. So you can share your entire screen right here or share specific applications right here within your PC. And then what you can also do is share documents right here. So you can share a whiteboard, documents, notes, or you can also document repositories right here from your OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and Microsoft SharePoint. And then lastly, we have advanced right here. So you can just simply cast a share screen right here from your iPhone or your iPad via AirPlay, and also do PowerPoint as a background, a portion of a screen, computer audio, video file, or a second camera if you have one. And then the right side over here, so you also have your share options. So in here you can share your screen with or without sound. You can also optimize your video for video sharing and share Zoom windows. And then this one right here will show you what will be the layout of your share screen. So you can have yourself right here in the bottom left corner, and then you can also have yourself at the bottom left corner right here with a small share screen at the top right. And then this one as well, it's a side-by-side view of yourself and a share screen video. So yep. Then at the bottom right here, so you also have some layout options that you can utilize as well. And then once you're ready to share your screen, just simply click on share, and then your screen will now start sharing. Next is we have the host tools. So in here you can simply lock the meeting, enable the waiting room, you can hide profile pictures, and then you can allow participants to do any of these. So if it's unchecked and if there's no check, participants cannot do this. And then if there's a check, participants can do this. So in this meeting, participants cannot share their screen, but they can chat, rename themselves, unmute themselves, start a video, share documents, share whiteboards, share notes, collaborate with Zoom apps, set meeting timers, but they cannot record to a computer but they can request to record to computer. So yeah, so if you want to allow participants to do any of these, just simply click on it, and then as you can see, there is now a check for that. And then you can also suspend participant activities as well. Next is the meeting info. So in here, you'll get to see everything related to your meeting. So you'll get to see the meeting ID, the passcode, the invite link, who the host is, and the participant ID. Then you'll also get to see the description of the meeting right here as well. Next is we have apps. So in here, you'll get to see all of the apps that you can use right here within Zoom. So in here, they have built-in apps right here from Zoom, like adding a timer. You can also allow to play music in your meetings, use virtual backgrounds, or just simply take a group photo. So these right here are built in by Zoom, but if you want to add like separate apps right here, just simply go to add apps. And then from here, you'll get to see all of the apps that you can add within your Zoom meeting, like AI generated meeting summarizer, name tags by Warmly, Kahoot, and a lot more. So feel free to view any of these apps out. So if you want to use any of these apps, just simply click on get, and then that app will now be able to use within your meeting. So yeah. Next is record. So this one will just basically allow you to record your meeting. So when you press on this,
recording in progress.
There you go. So it says right here that you're muted. Recording will not include audio. So yeah, so you can continue without audio just like that. And then once you're ready to stop the meeting or pause it, you can just press any of these buttons right here. So for example, I'll pause it.
Recording stopped.
There you go. And then I'll just stop the recording. And then there you go. The recording's now been stopped, and it says right at the top right corner, the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So yeah. Next is we have more. So in the more section right here, you can share your docs or view your docs. You also get to see your notes right here, which you can also utilize, and also a whiteboard, which you can also share screen as well. So yeah, those are pretty much the basics when you're going to use Zoom. So if you want to simply end the meeting, just simply click on end right there, and then you can either end the meeting for everyone or just simply leave the meeting, which will then be, and then the host will be passed on to someone else in the meeting. So yeah. So if you're ready to end the meeting, just simply click on end meeting for all. So I'll just end the meeting for all right there. And then there you go. The meeting has now been ended. And then a folder will pop up that will allow us to see our recordings. So in here, there are two types of media files right here. So we have the video and the audio files that you can open and use. So yeah. And then this thing will pop up as well, a window. So it will ask you how was your experience. So you can put a thumbs up if you had a great experience, and thumbs down if any of your meetings had any issues. So yeah, so I'll just do a thumbs up, and then there you go. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Zoom for virtual events. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.